Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a powerhouse in enterprise computing, the Hewlett Packard Enterprise HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen 10 Plus server. If you're in the market for high performance, scalable or reliable hardware, stick around because this server is built to impress. Let's start with the packaging idea. HPE uses a story designed to protect this this big beast during shipping. Now, let's crack it open and see what's inside there. Upon opening, we greeted with the usual well-padded foam inserts, documentation, and accessories. HPE ensures everything arrives in pristine condition. First, we've got the essentials: power cables, screws for mounting on a rail kit for rack installation. Also included is the documentation, quick start guides, warranty information, and some helpful papers to skim through before getting started. And here it is, the HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen 10 Plus server running. As you can see, it's a 2U rack server, perfect for enterprises that demand top-notch security, scalability, and performance. Let's take a closer look at the design and hardware. On the front panel, you'll hot swappable drive base. Depending on your configuration, you can support up to 24 SFF small form factor drives or 12 LFF large form factor drives. हमने configure this server with both SAS and SATA drives, offering superb flexibility for different storage needs. This base is designed for quick replacement and upgrades, minimizing downtime, which is crucial in today's business environments. Moving to the back, you'll discover plenty of expansion options. The HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen 10 Plus is equipped with PCIe expansion slots, network ports, or redundant power supplies. Plus, the integrated HPE ILO5 chip allows for remote management and monitoring, an essential feature for administrators managing large data centers. With HPE's ILO5, you can monitor system health, manage firmware updates, or even remotely reboot the system through a secure web interface. It's a game changer for IT teams. Now, let's take a look under the hood. The HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen 10 Plus is powered by the latest Intel Xeon scalable processors, providing up to 40 cores per processor for heavy workloads such as virtualization, data analytics, or AI. It also supports up to 6 terabytes of DDR4 memory, making it ideal for applications that require massive amounts of RAM. And don't forget about the storage controller. HPE's Smart Array technology provides excellent data protection with RAID support too. Now, the cooling system is robust. High-performance fans keep the server running efficiently even under heavy loads. This ensures stability or reduces the risk of overheating or peak, is especially important when this machine is running 24/7 in the data center. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing, Birahan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions about this server or would like to see a deep dive into its performance, leave a comment below. Until the next time, keep building, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Well,